You're taking notes wrong, and it's probably hurting your productivity. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you why switching to Obsidian can completely change the way you think, organize, and retain information. So let's dive in. If you're using apps like Notion, Evernote, or even OneNote, you might be dealing with slow interfaces, cloud storage limitations, or frustrating paywalls. The problem? Most note-taking apps aren't designed for long-term thinking. They're just digital notebooks. Obsidian, on the other hand, is a tool for building a second brain. The real issue with traditional apps is that they keep your notes in silos, making it hard to find and connect ideas. Ever lost an important note in a sea of folders? Obsidian solves that by linking ideas effortlessly. So why should you switch? First, it's local first, meaning you own your notes forever. No risk of losing data if a company shuts down or changes its pricing. Second, Obsidian uses Markdown, making it lightweight and distraction-free. And if you're worried about formatting, don't be. Obsidian has a what you see is what you get mode for easy editing. Third, the real magic is in the backlinks and graph view. This isn't just note-taking. It's a way to connect ideas and see how your knowledge grows over time. Think of it as a personal wiki for your brain. And here's a pro tip. Use the Unlinked Mentions feature to discover unexpected connections between your notes. This can help you resurface ideas you might have forgotten. One of my favorite things about Obsidian is it's fully customizable. You can make it as simple or as complex as you need. Want a minimalistic writing space? Done. Need a full-fledged research system? Well, there's a plugin for that. With hundreds of community plugins, you can add features like Kanban boards, AI-assisted notes, and calendar integrations. Unlike other apps, you're in full control. There's no forced updates and no hidden fees. So let's talk about 5 must-have plugins to supercharge your workflow. The first plugin on the list is Data View. Turns your notes into a database perfect for tracking tasks, books, and projects. Next up, we have Templater. Automates repetitive note-taking process, saving you a ton of time, and this is one of my personal favorite plugins. Third, we have Kanban, a visual way to organize tasks and ideas directly inside of Obsidian. Next on the list, Periodic Notes helps create and manage daily, weekly, and monthly notes effortlessly. And finally, Advanced Tables makes working with tables in Markdown much easier and more powerful. By the way, I personally use Obsidian for bullet journaling, and it has completely changed the way I track my tasks, goals, and reflections. If you're interested in seeing my full setup, drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to make a video on that. Getting started is easy. Just head over to obsidian.md, download the app for free, and create your first vault. If you're coming from Notion or Evernote, there are import tools that help you switch seamlessly. To get the most out of Obsidian, start with a daily notes habit and use backlinks to create connections between ideas. This one habit alone will change how you process information. Another quick tip, set up a home note with links to your key projects, goals, and frequently accessed notes. It acts like a dashboard for your second brain. If you want to take control of your notes and actually use them to grow your knowledge, Obsidian is the best tool out there. Once you switch, you won't look back. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what your biggest struggle with note-taking is. Let's talk about it.